Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add music bot to Discord. So, to begin with, there are plenty of Discord bots out there, and in order to, set some example, I'm going to use the FredBoat bot in particular. So you can either, for example, find the preferred music bot or the bot of your choice at the top.gg website per se. And in here, once you find the bot that you're interested in, just tap at the invite button, log into your Discord, and then the procedure will be the same I'll show you now. So in my case, I'm going to go with the FredBoat bot. The name of this bot is confusing. So in here, enter your credentials to the Discord. Let me double check whether mine are right. So log into your Discord account, authorize all the required permissions, and choose the server that you would like to invite this bot to. And now, if I'll open up the server, I'll see that the FredBoat bot was successfully added. And now if I will, here it is. All that I need to do in order to use it is to enter any voice channel, go into chat, and start speaking to this bot. And the comments vary and might depend from bot to bot, so make sure to check the manual for particular service or Discord bot that you've went for already. So that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.